Since we began Fluke in 2007, we've always tried to be a chef-driven restaurant, a scenario where we bring people into our kitchen and provide them with the best ingredients that we can possibly find in the area, but allow them to take their artistic approach and their culinary approach to really put together the menu. We have been chef-driven since the day we opened, and we're really excited because we feel as if we may have landed our best chef yet. Joining us from New York is Chef Eddie Montalvo, who has worked for some fantastic people in New York over the years. He's worked for Danny Meyer, he's worked for Daniel Boulud, David Boulay, Laurent Gras, among a number of other people.
One of the great things about Fluke is Jeff's relationship with the local fishermen. You know, in Manhattan you can buy anything, but there's always that middle. Here, the middle disappears. We're taking our own vehicle to the dock and picking up the fresh fish that we, use to make the sea bass, the striped bass crudo, or the monkfish with the gigante beans. It's just a great opportunity. My style, and especially because we're in a seaside town, is very Mediterranean. So there's a lot of things that are both rustic but refined at the same time. So while the dish might be lobster with pasta, that pasta is actually a duo of pasta like you see here. That dish embodies so much, right? You have local lobster, you have the maitake mushrooms that are being sourced locally through a farm just on the other side. And then, the seasonality of everything else just makes it a really special dish.